Hello everyone. So just listen to this thought. So data science is a fluid discipline that I would always say, because I don't want this to be defined with some set of subjects or very checklist kind of frameworks to learn, or interview questions to be prepared, because the definition of data science is very canvas kind of thing, which means like you have data and you have a scientific apparatus to solve a problem, and considering the current industrial adoptions, you need computer science and software engineering frameworks. But as an essence of data science, it's actually like an ocean, which means like you can take any sort of domain and find a purpose, find a problem statement, and learn properly, and then you can start working on it. It's not like, okay, you are just saturated or you are just enough to say you are done with data science by just learning one or two frameworks or one or two bootcamps or just list of courses from online. So I would say it's a continuous journey and continuous exploration of problem statements which are interesting, which can be solved with this combination of data and scientific apparatus with the help of engineering, because you need to distribute and you need to present it to the people who want that solution, right? So think broadly, think differently. Don't just limit yourself with frameworks and interview questions and some list of courses, right? Keep exploring. So it's a fluid discipline. Keep it in your mind.